a new chapter of our Czech course for beginners. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss our future videos. And check our Facebook for more stuff.
Kamilo, ty nejsi z Česka?
Ne, nejsem. Jsem z Kolumbie.
Ale mluvíš česky.
Ne, nemluvím moc česky.
Ale trochu jo.
Jenom trochu.
Did you understand? Let's check the transcript together.
Kamilo, ty nejsi z Česka? Ne, nejsem. Jsem z Kolumbie. Ale mluvíš česky? Ne, nemluvím moc česky. Ale trochu jo. Jenom trochu. Kamilo, ty nejsi z Česka? Ne, nejsem. Jsem z Kolumbie. Ale mluvíš česky? Ne, nemluvím moc česky. Ale trochu jo. Jenom trochu.
Now let's check together the translation of today's dialogue. Actually, it's quite simple and many things we already know, so we just need to expand our knowledge a little bit. Kamilo, ty nejsi z Česka? You probably remember the meaning of the sentence ty jsi z Česka. We learned it last time. You are from Czechia, or the Czech Republic. In this case, we added ne. And ne in Czech language means no. We already know that. So if we put ne at the beginning of any verb in the Czech language, we put it into its negative form. So ty nejsi means you are not. Ne, nejsem. No, I am not. We remember that jsem means I am. So if we put the ne, the negative form, then it means I am not. Jsem z Kolumbie. I am from Colombia. Ale mluvíš česky. Ale means but. Mluvíš is a new verb we have in this conversation. It means to speak. And mluvíš in this form means you speak as the second person singular. So you speak. And česky means Czech. But you speak Czech. Ne, nemluvím moc česky. Again, we see that we have a negative form of the verb here. Mluvím would mean I speak, but here we say nemluvím, I don't speak. Moc means a lot or much. So if we say the sentence nemluvím moc česky, it means I do not speak much Czech, which is something that you can totally use if you just started learning. But if the other person wants to encourage you that but you do speak some Czech, he can reply ale trochu jo, but a little yes. Trochu means a little or a little bit. But you do speak some Czech, right? And our foreigner here is quite modest, so he replies to this. Jenom trochu. Jenom means only. So only a little bit.
That is all for now. Our teacher, Teresa, will be back soon with the second part of this chapter, so wait for it. Yay!